Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin B capsules for hair. Many people seek natural ways to enhance their hair's health and appearance. Vitamin B, especially biotin, plays a vital role in maintaining strong, vibrant hair. We'll cover simple methods to incorporate these capsules into your routine, helping you achieve noticeable improvements. Get ready to learn practical tips for a healthier mane. There are two main ways to use vitamin B capsules for your hair. The most common is oral supplementation, following the dosage on the product label. Alternatively, you can open a capsule and mix its contents directly into your shampoo or conditioner. This topical application allows the nutrients to directly nourish your scalp and hair follicles. Ensure a thorough, even application for best results. When using vitamin B capsules, always adhere to the manufacturer's recommended dosage for oral intake. For topical application, start with a small amount, perhaps 1 capsule's worth mixed into your hair product. It's wise to do a patch test on a small skin area first to check for any sensitivity. While generally safe, discussing new supplements with your doctor is always a good practice to ensure it's right for you. To truly maximize the benefits of vitamin B for your hair, consistency is key. Incorporate these practices into your routine for several months to allow your hair cycles to respond. Remember, a healthy diet rich in other essential nutrients also significantly contributes to overall hair vitality. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. We hope these tips help you achieve the beautiful, strong hair you desire.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.